Thank you so much. This was the best night ever. Not because I got married, but because I got married.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're great. You're great.
All right, we just want to thank DJ Joseph for DJing our wedding. He did a phenomenal job. Got everybody on the floor dancing. Was very entertaining. Did an amazing job. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
All right, thank you guys.
We're gonna start with DJ Joseph rocks. The Music Man for Hire is awesome. Not only does he just do well when he's here, but he also keeps up with you throughout the months while you're planning this to make sure you're on track. Says, hey, get your playlist together, get your playlist together, get your times together, let's make sure this thing's gonna roll smoothly. So I know it made her feel better.
Yes,
and when she felt better, I felt better. That's what I got to say.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Well, we just had our wedding. We've been together for almost 8 years, and DJ Joseph made every song we ever wanted to hear, and it was one of the best experiences of our life. And if it wasn't
the best wedding ever.
And if it wasn't for DJ Joseph, we wouldn't be here right now with our music. So thank you so much to you, and we hope to probably use you soon again for something.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We had the best wedding ever because DJ Joseph rocked. Our guests absolutely loved it. It was the best party ever, and you know, we played all of our favorite songs, right?
Yeah, good job.
Yep, and everybody was on the dance floor, and then you were teaching. I never even knew how to do the, what was that, the Cuban shuffle or whatever. And so, not only did I learn how to do a couple new dance moves, but our family had such a wonderful time. In fact, everybody said it was the best party they've been to, and that's because of you, DJ. Thank you so much.
Thank
we
you,
really
guys.
appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.
He was great. Awesome. I will say one thing about DJ Joseph. He does know his business, and he knows when to do
what he's supposed to do.
right. He knows when to, and that's the biggest thing I was worried about, was to do things that's supposed to do what's supposed to be done, and he did everything to a T, and it's great. It really was, and our wedding was awesome.
I love him. We love him, and we will tell everybody
Oh, we
about
will,
him.
absolutely.
Joseph was absolutely amazing. He did all the songs that we wanted.
What an outstanding job for our wedding. Couldn't ask for a better DJ.
Yes. We're so happy.